In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make email templates in Pipedrive quickly and efficiently. If you're someone who frequently uses emails for your sales or communications tasks, mastering template creation can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive right into the process and set up your email templates in no time. First, you'll need to log into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, look for your profile picture or icon on the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu where you'll want to select Personal Preferences. This section is your gateway to customizing various settings, including your email configurations. After accessing your personal preferences, the next step is to ensure your email sync is active. This is crucial as it allows Pipedrive to integrate seamlessly with your email service, enabling you to leverage all the features available, including creating and sending templated emails directly. Next, head over to Sales Inbox. This is your command center for managing emails within Pipedrive. There's a button here labeled New Email that you should click. It's located prominently, making it easy to find. Upon clicking, a new email draft appears. Here's where the magic begins. Click on the option that says Choose Template. If this is your first time, the library might be empty. But don't worry, we're about to change that. Go ahead and draft the email you envision becoming a template. Remember, the more generic and reusable the content, the better. Now, with your draft ready, you'll want to save it as a template. Look for the Save Draft as a Template option and select it. At this point, it's essential to enter a descriptive name for your template. Choose something that will help you easily identify its purpose or intended recipient in the future. For organizational purposes, you'll also want to decide on the visibility settings for the template. You can set it to private so that only you can use it, or shared if you want your entire team to have access. With all of this set, finalize the template by clicking Save. Congratulations! You've successfully created an email template in Pipedrive. This template is now ready for use whenever you need it, streamlining your workflow and helping you maintain effective communication with minimal effort. And there you go, a simple and fast way to keep your email process efficient and organized. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to make email templates in Pipedrive quickly. Be sure to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials. Until next time.